Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Grindr subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you like how to cancel your subscription by using your Android mobile. You need to open your Play Store, you need to tap on your profile icon, then you need to select your payment and subscription, and you need to select your subscription option. Then you need to select your app like Grindr app. Then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel your subscription. If you are not an Android user, if you are using your iPhone, so in this case what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone settings, and you need to open your iPhone setting, and once you are on your iPhone setting you need to tap on your Apple ID, and you need to select your subscription, and then you need to select your app, and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel your subscription very easily of your, you can like Grindr. Okay, now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.